Have you ever faced a moment in life where everything feels stuck, where no matter how hard you try, things just don't seem to improve? It's in these moments of struggle that we often feel helpless and lost. But what if there was a powerful dua that could change your situation instantly? A dua so profound that it opened the doors of mercy for a prophet trapped in the belly of a whale. Imagine what it could do for you. This isn't just any supplication. It's a divine key to unlocking relief, guidance, and blessings from Allah. And the best part? The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ promised that whoever recites this dua with sincerity will have their prayers answered. If you're facing difficulties or need a breakthrough, stay with me until the end, because this life-changing dua may be exactly what you need to turn things around. Understanding the dua's origin. The dua that holds this incredible power is found in Surah Al-Anbiya 21:87. La ilaha illa anta subhanaka inni kuntu minaz zalimin. This means, there is no deity except you. Exalted are you. Indeed, I have been of the wrongdoers. This dua was made by Prophet Yunus alayhi salam during one of the most challenging moments of his life. After leaving his people in frustration, he found himself swallowed by a massive whale in the depths of the ocean. In complete darkness, physically and spiritually, he turned to Allah with these words. Despite his situation seeming impossible, Allah answered his sincere plea and rescued him from distress. This shows us that no matter how deep our struggles are, Allah's mercy is always greater. Why this dua is so powerful? What makes this dua so powerful is its simplicity and sincerity. In just a few words, it acknowledges three important truths. First, it affirms the oneness of Allah, La ilaha illa anta, which is the foundation of our faith. Second, it glorifies and exalts Allah, Subhanaka, by declaring that He is free from any flaws or imperfections. Lastly, it contains a humble confession, Inni kuntu minaz zalimin, where we admit our mistakes and shortcomings. When you make this dua sincerely, you are not just asking for help, you are aligning yourself with truth, humility, and complete dependence on Allah. This sincerity and acknowledgement of our need for Him opens the doors for His divine intervention. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, "No Muslim calls upon Allah with the supplication of Yunus, except that Allah will respond to him." This promise gives us hope that no matter how desperate our situation is, Allah will never leave us unanswered. When to use this dua? You can turn to this dua at any time, but it becomes especially powerful when you are facing difficulties that feel overwhelming. Whether it is a personal crisis, emotional pain, financial hardship, or a sense of being lost, this dua carries the promise of Allah's immediate attention. When you find yourself trapped in a situation where no human being can help, remember the story of Prophet Yunus alayhi salam. If Allah can rescue him from the belly of a whale in the middle of the ocean, He can rescue you from whatever hardship you are facing. The key lies in making the dua with sincerity and belief in Allah's power to change your situation. How to make this dua effectively? To experience the true power of this dua, approach it with a sincere heart and full faith. Begin by performing wudu, ablution, to purify yourself, and then find a quiet moment to focus entirely on your connection with Allah. Raise your hands humbly and recite the dua with sincerity and meaning. It is also beneficial to make this dua during special times when duas are more likely to be accepted, such as during the last third of the night, while fasting, in sujood, prostration, or on Fridays. Remember, it is not about simply repeating the words, but feeling the weight and meaning behind them. Additionally, follow up your dua with positive action. Trust in Allah's wisdom, but also take practical steps to resolve your difficulties. Combine your sincere supplication with consistent effort, and Allah's help will surely follow. The life-changing impact of this dua. Many people have experienced remarkable changes in their lives by consistently making this dua. Whether it is relief from anxiety, unexpected solutions to problems, or a renewed sense of peace, this dua is a reminder that no situation is beyond Allah's mercy. When you make this dua regularly, you invite blessings into your life and strengthen your relationship with Allah. It is a dua of humility and hope, teaching us that even when we make mistakes, Allah's mercy is always available to those who sincerely turn back to Him. If you are going through a hardship right now, don't lose hope. Turn to Allah with this powerful dua, knowing that He is always near, always listening, and fully capable of transforming your situation instantly. Never underestimate the power of sincere supplication. It could be the key to unlocking the relief you have been seeking. This powerful dua is a reminder that no matter how dark or difficult life feels, Allah's mercy is always near. Whenever you feel overwhelmed, turn to Him with sincerity and trust in His promise to respond. Make this dua a part of your daily routine and watch how it brings ease, blessings, and positive change into your life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Pure Deen for more inspiring Islamic reminders. Comment below. Ya Allah, guide me and grant me peace. Let's spread positivity and the beauty of dua together.